We get sap on the track.
What's up YouTube? This is going to be a Charlie Johnson food recipe video from the Ronnie Coleman classic grits, egg whites and cheese. So I've got my American grits here. So it's going to be a pre-workout meal. I'm going to have around 60 grams of carbs from this, going for 50 grams of protein, and I'm going to have a little bit of fats from some reduced fat cheese. The egg whites that I use, as everyone already knows, 2 chicks. So as I need 50 grams, that's 500 mils, that's the entire bottle. So I'm going to pan fry that. And then I'm going to use the grits. So the grits I'm using about 110 grams worth. The Americans work in cups, so that's half a cup of grits added with 2 cups of water, and then microwave 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to get this going now, get the grits on the go, and show you how we make this Ronnie Coleman style. One annoying thing when you buy anything from America is you use cups for measuring stuff. It makes it 0 sense at all. So try to measure out 2/4 of a cup. If you wonder what grits look like, it's a bit like a fine sort of grain sort of thing. And Ronnie Coleman style as well. I don't know how big this is going to go. You have to use a big plastic bowl. Want to get big, you got to eat big. Okay, so we've added water to the grits. I'm going to bang this in the microwave 4 minutes, and let's see what she looks like. And also get the egg whites in the grow, so I'm going to pan fry those. So the whole bottle of the 2 chicks egg whites. Okay, so we've got the grits in the microwave, egg whites in the pan. So basically the plan is going to fry up the egg whites. Once the grits are done, I'm going to whisk them up, add the egg whites in that, mix it all together like Ronnie Coleman does, big old Ron. And then add 2 slices of this low fat Leerdam Dharma light cheese on it. 50 calories per slice, 3 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein gains. So it's only 100 extra calories and 6 grams of fat for the meal. So that's all good. Okay, so grits cooked, egg whites cooked. Now we've got to simply add these bad boys together and stick on the cheese. Alright, so that's all mixed up. We have got the 500 grams of egg whites, 50 grams of protein, it's about 110 grams of grits, which is about 6 grams of carbs. Now we're going to add on the cheese. Okay, so we've got cheese on, Emmental good to go. I'm going to leave that for a little bit, hopefully it'll melt a little bit. And then actually I'm going to stick it in the microwave, that's a good idea. And then we'll see what the end result looks like. It'll cool down and I'll give it a taste test. Yeah. End result done. Egg whites, grits, cheese. I'm going to go in for the taste test. Looks extra cheesy. It's pretty good to be fair. It just feels like, tastes like cheese and oats. So this is the Ronnie Coleman special breakfast. Egg whites, low fat cheese, grits. So give it a try. I'll post below full way how to make it. It's super simple. It takes like 5 minutes. And hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Peace.